Hello everyone. Welcome to ACP Civil Hub. Which is better for your next construction project? A PEB building or an RCC building? Many engineers, contractors, builders, and project owners face this question while planning a new project. In this video, we will compare both systems and understand which option is better for different construction requirements. Let us start with PEB. PEB stands for pre-engineered building. It is a steel structure that is designed, fabricated, and manufactured in a factory before being transported to the construction site for assembly. PEB structures are known for fast construction, lightweight design, and efficient use of steel. They are widely used in warehouses, factories, workshops, logistics centers, and industrial buildings. Now let us understand RCC buildings. RCC stands for reinforced cement concrete. In RCC construction, structural elements such as foundations, columns, beams, and slabs are cast at the construction site using concrete and reinforcement steel. RCC buildings are commonly used in residential, commercial, educational, and healthcare projects due to their durability and versatility. Now let us compare PEB and RCC structures. The first parameter is construction speed. PEB buildings are generally much faster to construct because most structural components are manufactured in a factory and only assembled at the site. In contrast, RCC buildings require shuttering, reinforcement placement, concrete pouring, and curing, which increases construction time. The second parameter is structural weight. PEB structures are lightweight because they use optimized steel sections. RCC buildings are comparatively heavier due to the use of concrete in major structural elements. The third parameter is future expansion. PEB buildings offer excellent flexibility for future expansion and modifications. Expanding an RCC building is generally more complex and may require major structural alterations. The fourth parameter is project suitability. PEB structures are highly suitable for industrial buildings, warehouses, factories, workshops, and logistics facilities. RCC structures are highly suitable for residential buildings, apartments, schools, hospitals, and conventional multi-story construction projects. Let us now discuss the advantages and limitations of both systems. The major advantages of PEB buildings include faster construction, lower structural weight, easier expansion, and factory control quality. However, proper corrosion protection and specialized fabrication are important considerations in steel structures. On the other hand, RCC buildings offer excellent durability, fire resistance, and widespread availability of materials and construction expertise. However, RCC construction generally requires more time and results in heavier structures. So, which one should you choose? The answer depends on your project requirements. If your priority is speed, industrial use, large clear spans, and future expansion, PEB is often the preferred choice. If your project involves residential buildings, conventional commercial structures, schools, hospitals, or multi-story construction, RCC is often the preferred option. There is no universal winner. Both PEB and RCC systems have their own advantages and limitations. The best choice depends on project requirements, budget, construction timeline, functionality, and long-term objectives. I hope this comparison helped you understand the key differences between PEB and RCC buildings. For more civil engineering, structural engineering, steel structure, and construction knowledge videos, subscribe to ACP Civil Hub. Thank you for watching.